Welcome to Flourish in Math class. Today our topic is multiplication of fractions. Here is an example: 8 over 10 multiplied by 1 over 10. So the rule here is to divide with the greatest common factor across or the numerator and the denominator. So like we did here, 8 over 10, the greatest common factor is 2. So 8 divides 2, we have 4, and 10 divides 2, we have 5. Also, between 4 and 10, which is across, the greatest common factor is 2. 4 divides 2, 2, 10 divides 2, 5. So what we have left over is 2 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 5. Now we see nothing can divide across or at the top and at the bottom. So we have 2 over 25, which is the final answer. The second example here is 6 over 9 multiplied by 3 over 9. So we can divide across or top and bottom. So here the greatest common factor is 3. So that's why we have 6 divides 3, 2, 9 divides 3, 3. Then also 3 can divide 3. So we have 1 and 1. So our leftover is 2 multiplied by 1 over 1 multiplied by 9. Now we have 2 over 9. The third example here is 1 over 7 multiplied by 1 over 5. This is usually called the unit fraction. And it's very easy. What you do is just multiply 1 by 1, that is the numerator, and multiply the denominators, 7 by 5. So we have 1 over 35. Here, 8 over 9 multiplied by 1 over 4. Now the greatest common factor between 8 and 4 is 4. So 4 divides 4, 1, 8 divides 4, 2. So we have the leftover as 2 times 1 over 9 times 1. And so we have 2 over 9. Question number 5. 8 over 19 multiplied by 7 over 13. Looking at these numbers, we see that no greatest common factor can divide across or top and bottom. So we just multiply the numbers out. 8 times 7 over 19 times 13. 8 times 7, if you look at your multiplication chart, is 56. And now 19 times 13, we can do that on the side as that we have 3 times 9, that is 27. We write 7 carry 2. 3 times 1, that is 3 plus 2, 5. Then 1 times 9, remember to put the 0 in the ones place. 1 times 9, 9. 1 times 1, 1. Now we have these numbers together. That is 7, 14, 4 carry 1, and that is 2. So we have 247. So here we have 56 over 247. Number 6. 2 over 12 multiplied by 4 over 16. The greatest common factor between 2 and 12 is 2. So we divide top and bottom. Now we have 4 and 16. The greatest common factor is 4. So we have 1 over 4. So we have 1 times 1 over 6 times 4. And this is 1 over 24. Question number 7. This is multiplication of mixed number. So the first step to do here is to convert the mixed number to improper fraction. I'll put the link to the conversion in my description box. So here, how do we convert? You multiply 6 by 1, that is 6, plus 4, that is 10. So the first one is 10 over 6. And the second one is 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. That is 7 over 3. Now let's see if we have any common denominator and numerator. And here, 10 over 6, we have 2 as the greatest common factor. So we divide through, we have 5 over 3. So our leftover now is 5 times 7 over 3 times 3. 5 times 7 is 35, then 3 times 3 is 9. So we have 35 over 9. And this can be converted back to mixed number. So 35 divides 9. We have 3 whole numbers there. So 9 times 3 is 27. Now 35 minus 27, we have that to be 8. So we have 3 whole number, 8 over 9. So both answers are correct. Question number 8. So we are multiplying a mixed fraction with a whole number. So we convert the mixed number to improper fraction. So 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1, 16. So we have 16 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 1. Please note that 5 can be written as 5 over 1. And so now we can divide across. So we have 5 divides 5, 1. 5 divides 5, 1. So we have 16 times 1 over 1 times 1. And that is 16 over 1. And that is 16. Question 9. 1 6 over 9 multiplied by 1 4 over 7. Convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. 9 times 1, 9, plus 6, that is 15. So we have 15 over 9. Multiplied by 7 times 1, that is 7, plus 4, that is 11. So that gives us 11 over 7. Now we want to see if there are any common factors. So 15 and 9, the greatest common factor is 3. So we divide both by 3. So we have it to be 5 over 3. So this gives us 5 times 11, which is 55, over 3 times 7, that is 21. So 55 over 21 can be converted to a mixed fraction or mixed number. So we have 2 whole numbers there because 21 times 2 is 42. And so we subtract 42 from 55. We have 13. We have 13 there. So that is 2 whole number 13 over 21. Both answers are correct. The last question here is 16 over 11 multiplied by 33 over 12. So the greatest common factor between 11 and 33 is 11. So we divide through with 11. And here we also have 3 and 12. The greatest common factor is 3, so we have 1 over 4. Then if we look here again, 4 and 16, the greatest common factor is 4, so we divide through with 4. So our leftover now is 4 times 1 over 1 times 1. And this is 4 over 1, and that is 4. I have 6 questions here for you to try. Please do them in your notebook and have someone supervise it for you. Thank you for tuning into my channel today. I hope to see you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and bye for now.